We usually associate the birth of printing with heavy steel and industrial gears. But long before the machine age, a global revolution was being shaped out of literal mud. This is the forgotten genius of ceramic movable type. Invented in 11th century China by an inventor named Bi Sheng, it was a masterpiece of modular engineering, enabling mass literacy hundreds of years before Gutenberg ever touched a press. The process starts with raw, stubborn clay. An artisan must stomp the earth with their bare feet, a grueling task designed to drive out microscopic air bubbles. Without this physical sacrifice, the blocks would explode the moment they hit the furnace. Once the clay is dense and uniform, it's leveled into sheets and sliced into identical cubes. Each one is a tiny, blank slate waiting for a soul. Printing requires a mirror image mind. Using precision carving tools, the artisan must write and etch every character in reverse. By stripping away the negative space, the text rises from the clay in sharp relief. These fragile carvings are then surrendered to the kiln, where intense fire transforms soft mud into rock-hard terracotta. But there's a hidden flaw. Fired clay is naturally porous and brittle. To solve this, the artisan uses an ingenious chemical hack. The hardened blocks are submerged in a boiling bath of thick millet gruel. As the starch seeps into the ceramic, it seals every pore. This doesn't just reinforce the structure, it prevents the blocks from acting like sponges, ensuring the ink sits on the surface rather than soaking into the type. Then comes the logic of the layout. Thousands of individual characters are organized on an iron plate. But to keep them from sliding, the artisan relies on a thermal lock, a molten blend of pine resin and beeswax. While the mixture is still liquid, a wooden plane is pressed over the type, forcing every character into a perfectly flat, uniform surface. As the wax sets, the entire page becomes a single, immovable plate. With a stroke of the brush and a press of the paper, history is duplicated. The real magic, however, happens at the end. When the run is finished, the plate is simply reheated. The wax liquefies, the characters are freed, and the same clay blocks can be rebuilt to tell an entirely different story the very next day. If you appreciate the patience of the artisan, honor their craft with a like and subscribe to uncover more secrets of the past.